Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font size in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change font size. Firstly, select some text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and we can see here many options. We find and select the increase font size option. Click the increase font size option to increase the font size. Otherwise, decrease the font size, click the decrease font size option. You can use manually system, click the font size option and write font size as you wish, like 15, then press enter. Now we can see we change font size in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.